Hi guys and girls and welcome back to Barney's Backyard. I'm Barney and today I've got a short video for you. We're going to be harvesting some of our spring veg and we are going to be making a quick and easy but delicious lunch from that. Now with all that said, let's go.
Wow, look at this. In you go.
So here we are back from the garden. We've done our harvest, we've cleaned our veggies, we shelled our peas, and on the menu today we have a garden pea soup served with a Herby garlic toast and side salad. We will start with our soup, and the first thing we have to do is start with our chicken. So we're gonna grab our pot. I'm using about 2.5 liters of water, and into that I'm adding about 700 grams of chicken. This chicken is the upper cut of the wing, so like the upper wing part. It has a lot of cartilage, a lot of bone, a lot of skin on it. If you guys been following the channel and you've seen the previous episode where we made the soup, we explained why that's important. Basically, it's just gonna make the soup taste much better. In it goes. Don't worry about adding salt at this point. You can add a little bit, but don't worry about it because the stock is going to reduce a lot. And you can always add more, but you can never take it away. Into there, we're going to add some peppercorns, whole peppercorns, and some aromatics, 1 shallot and 1 tomato. These ones you don't really need to cut, just make some short incisions on them and then they are ready to just go into the pot. Put it up to boil on medium to high heat. We peel and chop our carrots and parsley root. Clip the roots off the fresh spring onions. And separate the whites from the greens. Cooking the whites. Garnishing with the greens. If you like, you can add the chili, fresh chili for some extra spice. Here we have one that we grew ourselves. If you do not want your soup too spicy, don't cut the pepper, don't chop it up. Maybe make a little incision or just put it as whole and just cook it like that. That will bring in the flavor but get rid of most of the heat. While the soup is coming to a boil, we're gonna make some herb butter. Now herb butter is very simple. All you really need is some herbs and some butter. I have here 250 grams of butter. I've taken it out of the fridge 1 to 2 hours ago. If you want to do this, do yourself a favor and take the butter out early, so it becomes much more soft and much more workable. Now for the herbs, you really can use any combination of herbs you like. I have here the onion greens, I have some celery greens, and I have a larger bunch of flat leaf parsley. That's what I'm gonna use for now. Wash your herbs before you do this, by the way. I've already done it before the video. And make sure you slice them nice and thin. There we go. That's it, there is no real other secret to this. We grab our herbs, put it all in. Now if you like, you can always add some fresh garlic to this. It's gonna be fantastic for our toast. But if you decide to do this, just keep in mind that your butter will have some fresh garlic in it, whatever you use it for.
This is why you take out the butter a few hours earlier, so you can mix it easily.
So here is a pro tip to conserve your butter. Use some cling film. Get all your butter. You could alternatively also use baking paper, but the expiry comes a little bit faster with that. Now keep in mind, if you want to do this, your hands have to be very clean. Wash them before. No bacteria can go on. Here we go. Now we just cut our cling film and roll it up. You wanna go over, press down. Don't let it close yet, just press. Compress it all the way. Roll it up. Yeah. Once you put it back into the fridge, it becomes solid again. It will be easy to just keep slicing it down, keep using it. So it's been 10 minutes, we brought our soup to a boil. Make sure to remove all the foam that's present and drop in all the carrots.
Add a bunch of fresh parsley, spring onion greens and celery.
Another 10 to 15 minutes later, our carrots and our meat are almost ready, so we're taking out all the aromatics. Take out the bouquet, take out the tomato, take out the shallot, and take out the chili. Yeah. We're gonna finish our soup with the star. Fresh spring onion stalks from the garden and all the peas, yes.
For our Herby toast, we are going to slice this bread, put some rounds of butter on it, and place it in the oven. And now, remember the butter, this is what we are going to put. Just take it out of the foil, place it on your bread. Into the oven it goes.
We finished the soup with some freshly chopped herbs. Same things we've used before. We have some parsley, we have some celery, and we have some spring onions.
Yes. 2 minutes away from the finish line, it's time to make the side salad. For this we are using the garden salad, tomato and radishes. The salad leaves are ready after a wash. Slice your radishes, slice your tomatoes, and at the end, season it with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper. Ready to plate and ready to eat. Mmm!
Yeah? A minute?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.